Howdy! For today's video, I'm going to show you my fourth Chanel purse in my collection. Go. Here's how it looks, and we're gonna show her, and here it is. She's so beautiful. Navy blue is the color. Here you go. Oh my god. This is a vintage Chanel from year 2006. And I got it from the secondary market. It's a pre-loved bag. It's just so hard to find, like vintage bags nowadays that is in really, really good condition. So here you go. The CC logo is a 24 karat gold plated. That's actually one of the trademarks if it's a vintage Chanel. They use 24 karat gold plated, and that's actually one of the things that I love when it comes to vintage bags. When it comes to Chanel, look at how beautiful that CC logo is. Oh my god, look at how beautiful the color. It is so vibrant. Oh my god. Wow! It is such a good, pretty condition. Look at how shiny. Overall, it is still in excellent condition. Excellent condition. AB. I think it's AB. And if you can see, like, there's some like a little bit, but that's part of the story. That's part of the story, and that's why pre-loved bags, secondary bags in the market are so special. We're gonna open this bag, and the strap is not just this. It's actually a crossbody. I'm gonna get this one. It's the cloth. You see that? Wow. It's the airplane fasten. You see how shiny it is? Oh my god. Here's the Chanel stamping. Chanel, here we go. The CC here. And then, I actually made a loop, so the strap will be shorter. But if we're gonna get the loop, the strap is pretty much long. See that? So this is a crossbody bag that you can actually make the strap shorter. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. When you wear it as crossbody. For reference, I am 5'2", so the height is just here, just above my waist. Okay, looks like that. I'm gonna get it now. So it looks like this when you wear it as crossbody. It's so cute. Ah, look at her. She's so pretty. Oh my god. I really like it because it's very, very shiny. This is also lambskin, that's why it feels so smooth. Ah, she's so pretty. Oh my god. And we're gonna open her. I put some stuffing in so it will not be deformed. So we're gonna get her. Okay. Look at how spacious. Very spacious. Oh my god. Here's the CC here. I really love the zipper too. The details in the zipper, it's so cute. I don't know if you can see the CC. Very, very, very cute. Oh my god. Here you go. It's very spacious. I really love it. I don't regret buying this. Here's the zipper. It works so good. Works very smooth. Yeah, so nice, and it smells so good. You know that vintage smell? Oh my god. Chanel, made in Paris. The CC here, it is so spacious. This is a single flap. As you can see, it's a single flap. It really, really works well. Boom. And I'll show you how to wear this one. You can wear it like this. Wear it like that. You can wear it as a crossbody like this. So cute. I really also like making a single loop. Making a loop to make the strap shorter. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Just here. There you go. Shows like that. Inside, you're gonna close it. Now here's the length. Wow. It's just giving the feminine vibe, feminine energy if the strap is like this. You know, it's so cute. When if you're wearing it as crossbody, then it's very like casual. But this one, I just love it. I love the length of the strap. I really love the length of the strap. Oh my god. She's so pretty! Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this purse. And it is not so big, not so small. It is very spacious. This is really, really in great condition. Oh my god. Look at how shiny it is. God, she's so pretty. And again, this is a vintage bag, year 2006, and I don't really regret buying this purse. I am so in love with this. Look at her. God, she's so pretty. I love her to death. I can't. You can also wear it like this. Wear it like this. You can also just really put all the straps inside. And wear it like this. Wear it here in your armpit. And also wear it like that. Isn't she classy? She's very beautiful. I love her so much. How about you? What are your thoughts about it? Look at the CC. This is really my favorite part. The CC. 24 karat gold plated. She's very, very nice. I don't even see a lot of scratching in there. I don't even see scratches in here. I don't even see scratches. This is really such a good buy. I can't. I love her. I'm super happy to have her in my collection. Oh my god. Woo! Another dream come true. Another bag dream come true. Chanel, I love you. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching.